This is Rubel from Bfix. So today we are going to unbox another earbud. It's called RealFit ANC, and its model number is F3TWS. So we'll check, is it really TWS or what kind of feature it has. So it is a very cheap RealFit earbud. So I think it was around $10. We'll check now. Okay, so as usual we need to cut it open. So it has ANC, it has ENC, and it has long battery life, and it is comfortable as per them. Okay, so and comfortable, ENC call noise reduction, ANC active noise cancellation, and long standby. Okay, so there are some Chinese written thing with an address. Then there is this product specification. It is a Bluetooth version 5.4, and the distance you can keep connected to a mobile phone is 10 meter. Battery capacity is 30 milliamp. If it is 30 milliamp, that will be around like 4 hours, and charging time is 1 hour. So in 1 hour charge you can survive for 4 hours. And the charging case specification, it is like a little bit bigger, 300 milliamps, and charging is about 1.5. so it is 300, that means 10 times. So probably you will get with a charging, if it is true with the charging case, you will get around like 10 times higher the battery charging capacity. So it will be like, if it is earbud is 4 hours, then with this you can probably go for 40 hours. So let's open. Okay, here you go. Ooh, okay, so as usual it has a specification, and then there is this earbud, and then extra air plug, and then USB-C. So this is an USB-C earbud, not so heavy, nothing else, it's just a normal casing. And let me go through the, so here I can see it has an app. Holy moly, it is a $10 device earbud, and it has an app on it. You can, that means you can basically control the you have an equalizer that you can control using the app. So this is amazing, guys, this is amazing. You should get one, I recommend already. So as you can see, it has B5.4. its speaker diameter is 13 millimeter, impedance is 32 ohm, and it has microphone. It's a silicon microphone. Microphone sensitivity is 32 decibel, which is high. Speaker is 20 milliwatt too, so it's supposed to be very good. That's it. So it has wireless earbud, charging box, charging cable, and user manual. Okay, and the instruction is basically how you turn off, turn on. You can see it's written. So turn on, method 1, take out earbud from the charging box and turn on automatically. Method 2, that is two-way, press the touching area for 2 seconds to turn on earbud. The earphone cannot be turned on while charging the battery. So when it is charging, you cannot really turn on inside this. If your earbud is inside this charging case, then you cannot. Then there is method 1, turn off. Press for 10 seconds, turn on, turn off. If you touch the earbud for 10 seconds, it will turn off. Or put the earbuds back inside your charging base, normal. Okay. And there is another interesting feature. If your earphone is disconnected from your phone for 5 minutes, it will it will turn off. So to save the battery, so TWS pairing, left and right earbud pairings. Keep the charging case lid open. The earbuds are getting paired with each other automatically. That takes about 5 seconds. If failed, press left and right, touching the area, blah blah blah. Switch the main and auxiliary earphone automatically when the left and earbud successfully paired. Put any single earbud back into. So that's mean you can basically connect your earphone, mobile, any of the earbud, left or right, and then left and right will pair themselves. Okay, so there are several features. How to increase volume: double tap right earbud. If you double tap right earbud, it will increase volume. Reduce volume, double tap left earbud. Then answer a call, short tap left or right earbud. In the call, short tap left or right earbud. Hang up your phone, hang up the phone, long tap, okay, for 1 second. Next song, tap right earbud for 3 times. So it is 3 times. Play, short tap left or right. ANC mode, long plays for 3 seconds. Game mode, tap L or right for 4 times. Okay, 4 times game mode. Power off as usual. So now what I will do, I will try to install the app because I want to see the app. Okay, here you go, moment of truth. I'll see, does it has any app? Come on. Okay, yes, so it opened an URL. Okay, here you go, you can see the app is coming up. Yes, so it original sound Shenzhen. So it's basically like a standard application for all of the Android devices, all of the earbud. So nothing fancy. So it's installing. Give it a time to install. On the meantime, let me open the box. Seems pretty tight. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my goodness. It's a glossy fit. So it's ivory. I bought the ivory one. It's an USB-C. There is a light in here. So see, it become kind of green cyan if you open it.